Spiritual science is our flag. What is spiritual science? Today I will give you spiritual science. So Adhyatmik Shastra has got 6 laws. The first law is the principle of consciousness. We are all not body, we are consciousness. That is the first law. We are not the body, we are the Atma. We are not this body. We are not this body. Body we live and Atma cease. We are not the body. We are not the Nara, we are the Narayana. Body is the Nara, Atma is the Narayana. We are the Atma. In Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna asked Krishna, "Hey, who are you?" Then Krishna said, "Aham Atma Gudakesha. Sarva Bhutashaya Stitaha. Aham Adischa Madhyam Cha Bhutanam Ante." He said, "I am Atma, I am not the body." And that is the truth of all of us. That we are all Atma. That is the first principle in the 6 laws. First law is the law of consciousness. The second law is the law of reincarnation. Punarjanma Siddhanta. First is Atma Siddhanta. Please say loudly. Atma Siddhanta.
Atma Siddhanta.
Punarjanma Siddhanta.
Punarjanma Siddhanta.
Karma Siddhanta.
Karma Siddhanta.
Purogamana Siddhanta.
Purodamana Siddhanta.
Yoga Siddhanta.
Yoga Siddhanta.
Ananta Siddhanta.
Ananta Siddhanta.
These are the 6 Siddhantas. Atma Siddhanta says, nobody is the body, everybody is the Atma. And Punarjanma Siddhanta says, we take number of incarnations. On an average, you and I take 300 to 400 human incarnations. And Karma Siddhanta says, as you sow, so you reap. If you hit somebody, you will get disease. Papave rogavu. If you help somebody, you will get bhoga. Punyave bhogavu. So, papave rogavu, punyave bhogavu, this is Karma Siddhanta. Yes? So, virus or bacteria, anything will not harm you if you have not harmed a fish or a fowl. Understand? So, your own papa comes back to you as roga. Please don't do any more papa. Purva janma krutam papam vyadhi rupenya indina janma pidyate. Purva janma krutam papam. Understand? So, that is Karma Siddhanta. When you understand Karma Siddhanta, you will never harm anybody because you don't want harm. Understand? When you understand Punarjanma Siddhanta, you understand that you are not this body, you are the Atma. Body is a cloth. Vasansi jirnani yatha vihaya navani gruhnati naro parani tata sharirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi. This is the shloka from Bhagavad Gita. When the cloth gets worn out, you wear new clothes. When the body gets worn out, you wear new bodies. Body is like a cloth. You are not the body. You are the Atma. So, and the 4th law is Purogamana Siddhanta. In every janma, you are taking the next lessons. In 300 janmas, you are taking 300 lessons after lessons. Finally, you become a Buddha when you come into meditation. So everybody is always progressing. Failure is also stepping stone for success. Understand? So, Purogamana Siddhanta, law of evolution.
Yes.
And the 6th Siddhanta is Yoga Siddhanta. Today, you are all here to practice yoga. So, this is Yoga Siddhanta. With yoga, you can hasten your evolution. When you become a yogi through Yoga Siddhanta, you will come to the 6th Siddhanta, which is called as Aneka Aneka Siddhanta, Athua Ananta Ananta Siddhanta, which says the infinities. Everywhere there is infinity. However far you can see, there is infinity. However much you can think, there is infinity. If you want to do good, there is Ananta Ananta Siddhanta. That's what you understand. So, my dear friends, spiritual science means these 6 laws: Atma Siddhanta, Punarjanma Siddhanta, Karma Siddhanta, Purogamana Siddhanta, Yoga Siddhanta, Ananta, Aneka Siddhanta. All these things you will understand through Yoga Siddhanta. Krishna told Arjuna, hey Arjuna, आप तो योद्धा बने हैं परंतु योगी नहीं बने. आपको योगी बनना है. You have to become a yogi. You are a big yodha, but you have not become a yogi. Krishna is a Yogeshwara. He also is a big yodha. He is also a Yogeshwara. So Krishna told Arjuna, hey Arjuna, yogi bhava. Because only when you become a yogi, you will understand that you are the Atma, there are a number of lifetimes, you create your own reality through your own karmas, you are always progressing, you can hasten your evolution, and there is infinity all around you. All these things you can understand only when you are a yogi, never otherwise. If you don't become like a Krishna, like a Buddha, like a Jesus, I don't like you. Because you cannot be counted as a human being. And if you are killing fowl and fish and eating also, my goodness, you are the Daridra of the Dalitra, scum of the whole earth. Everybody has to become a vegetarian and everybody has to become a yogi.